my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1450, number of students doing homework at a given time. This is given two integer arrays, start time and end time, and given an integer query time. The ith student started doing their homework at the start time and finished at the start time I and finished at the time end time at I. Return the number of students doing their homework at time query time. More formally, return the number of students where query time lays in the interval start time I, end time I inclusive. All right. That's somewhat confusing. It's really a pretty simple algorithm, simple problem. What we need to do is, here's our query time for. We need to check and see, is this number less than or equal to query time, and is this number greater than or equal to query time? If it is, we'll have a result variable, right? So if that's the case, we'll increment result, and at the end we'll return result. Right. So basically we check, okay, is 1 less than or equal to query time, and is 3 greater than or equal to query time? It's not, so we don't do anything. Same thing here, it's not, we don't do anything. Here, 3 is less than 4, and 7 is greater than 4, so we increment to 1, and we get 1. Pretty simple. So you can do this a lot of different ways. I chose to just loop through start time with map. I always like to use Javascript methods as opposed to for loops whenever possible. You could use a for loop. Doesn't really matter all that much. And we're going to name our parameters time and I. And then we just do a simple if check, right? So we're going to say if time is less than query time, or time equals query time, and we gotta put this out of the parentheses, and end time at I is greater than query time, or end time at I equals query time. If that's the case, result plus. And that's it. Let's go and run the code. Cool. Let's go ahead and submit it. There you go. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.